Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. And today we have almost everything about the OnePlus 10R. And boy, every day passing, I get a little bit more disappointed in OnePlus. Also guys, subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. So let's start with the good news. Before the bad stuff, there is a lot because I don't really want to start with that. So the phone will have a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display of 120Hz. The smartphone will use a Mediatek Dimensity 8100 processor with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and two storage variants of 128 and 256 gigs. The smartphone will have triple cameras at the rear, with the main one being a 50 megapixel wide shooter, the ultra wide being a 8 megapixel and the last one being a 2 megapixel macro lens just for the heck of it, and the selfie camera will be of 16 megapixels. Physically, this is how the smartphone will look like. We have a center hole punch on the middle of the display. The display looks quite bezel-less and does look really beautiful. At the back, we have the matte sandstone type finish and the triple cameras and the flashlight on the top left hand side. We have the OnePlus logo on the center, and on the right hand side of the smartphone we have the power button, and on the opposite side of that we have the volume rockers. Did you see something is missing? Look again, the alert slider. Where is it? It's not on the phone. Maybe OnePlus forgot to add their special touch. Maybe someone at the factory messed up because it's a OnePlus phone. It should have an alert slider, right? Or maybe it's a Realme GT3 clone. I think the last one is the real reason. OnePlus has copied the homework of the Realme GT3 Neo, slapped on the OnePlus badge and called it a day. And man, I don't like it a bit. The alert slider, it was OnePlus's hallmark, the one really differentiating feature from the ocean of other Android smartphones. If you Google OnePlus 10R, almost every article mentions that OnePlus got lazy and copied Realme. Almost everywhere you will find Realme alongside the OnePlus 10R, how this phone has less of OnePlus DNA and more of Realme's DNA. Guys, the day isn't very far when the alert slider even vanishes from the flagship phones. And once again, iPhone will be the only phone left with a physical mute switch. We wanted more Android phones to have alert sliders, but the ones who did have it are starting to lose it, which just makes me sad. And it's not like this is the only thing. They have also copied the display, the cameras and many other things from the Realme GT Neo 3. We don't have a definitive release date on this smartphone yet, nor the price, but I will let you guys know about it whenever we get the slightest hint of that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know guys, what are your thoughts about the OnePlus 10R and it's starting to lose the OnePlus's hallmark features. I hate it. From being one of the most beloved and influential smartphone brand to straight up lazy copying some other companies, Oppo's and Realme's homework, OnePlus just isn't the same anymore. Hit that like button guys if you enjoyed. Come hang out with me on Insta and Twitter, and thanks a lot for watching.